Running a business from home and trying to scale it forward? Well, here is something that I have to tell you. When I started my business from home, I never knew that I would be able to scale it without an office. But yes, scaling is possible right from the home. Hi, I am Coach Sakshi. My job as a business coach is to help you turn your regular business models into a premium service business model. And when I do this, my focus is what I did for myself that worked and transition it into your business. Now, here is how I did it for myself. Turning my cozy corners into my office space hasn't been an easy journey, but it proved to be right when I was able to scale it and turn it around into a money generating machine for myself. Now, here's how I did it. The first thing that I did was to delegate the tasks to the team, because when the clients start coming in, the only thing that pulls you back from taking more clients is the workload. So you need to distribute your workload. So have the right team members. The second thing that we did was to have the right tools and processes in place, because without tools, without automating, it becomes difficult to keep a track of the tasks that are happening, to build up an email list, to send the emails, to send the WhatsApp reminders. It becomes really tough task. So better at technology, the better will be your business. And the third most important thing that I did was to switch my service plans. Now, what does that switching mean? Well, once your team is capable, once your processes are capable of handling a lot more client data, then the only thing that you need to do is design a premium service for your premium clients. And if I can do it, so can you. The only thing that you need is the right kind of strategies and the right kind of steps that I just told you to help turn your cozy corner into a money generating machine. That's for now. I'll see you in another video. Signing off, Coach Sakshi.